Assalamu alaikum. This is the Tum version of episode number 5, demonstrating how you can ask someone how many siblings he or she has. Thank you very much for your support. Without further ado, let's listen to the dialogue.
तुम्हारे कितने भाई बहन हैं?
मेरी 2 बहनें हैं। तुम्हारे कोई भाई बहन हैं?
मेरा एक भाई है। तुम्हारी बहनें तुमसे छोटी हैं या बड़ी?
एक बहन छोटी है और एक बड़ी। मैं बीच में हूँ। तुम्हारा भाई तुमसे छोटा है या बड़ा?
वो मेरे से छोटा है।
अच्छा, तुमसे कितने साल छोटा है?
तकरीबन 1 साल।
So, this episode is slightly different from the previous Tum version episodes because in previous episodes, we've had aapka, but here we have aapke. So, let's take a look at it line by line. So, the first line was aapke kitne bhai behan hain? So, when you want to ask this same question in the informal tone, you would say तुम्हारे कितने भाई बहन हैं? So, aapke became tumhare. Of course, there's no change in translation. The next line is मेरी 2 बहनें हैं. आपके कोई भाई बहन हैं? So again, the same change occurs as in line 1. आपके becomes तुम्हारे. So the line would be मेरी 2 बहनें हैं. तुम्हारे कोई भाई बहन हैं? So the real change comes in the next line, which is आपकी बहनें आपसे छोटी हैं या बड़ी? Notice how here it's आपकी, not आपके, and that is because of the noun bhai behen. Bhai behen is a compound word, and it's both plural and masculine. It means siblings. So previously we had आपके bhai behen, but in this sentence the noun is behne, which means sisters. So while it's plural, it's feminine. That is why आपके becomes आपकी. So when you want to ask the question, आपकी बहनें आपसे छोटी हैं या बड़ी? In the informal way, you would say तुम्हारी बहनें तुमसे छोटी हैं या बड़ी? Again, that's तुम्हारी बहनें तुमसे छोटी हैं या बड़ी? So there are 2 changes there. आपकी becomes तुम्हारी and आपसे becomes तुमसे. So the question was, are your sisters younger than you or older? To which Wajiha responded, एक बहन छोटी है और एक बड़ी. मैं बीच में हूँ. आपका भाई आपसे छोटा है या बड़ा? So again, same thing would happen here. आपका would become तुम्हारा and आपसे would become तुमसे. So it would be एक बहन छोटी है और एक बड़ी. मैं बीच में हूँ. तुम्हारा भाई तुमसे छोटा है या बड़ा? So notice that there's no change in the singular aspect, right? So chota remains chota and bada remains bada. So now we've used आपके, आपका, and आपकी. And when you use them all depends on the noun and whether that noun is singular or plural, and masculine or feminine. In the handout, you'll see the distinctions written out. So bhai is singular and masculine. That's why we said aapka bhai, which becomes tumhara bhai when speaking in the informal tone. Next we have wo mere se chota hai. There's no change here because there was no use of the pronoun you. However, notice that this is already in the informal tone. How would we make this into the formal tone? It would be वो मेरे से छोटे हैं. If you remember in episode 5, we showed you how to make an informal sentence with a singular subject, a formal one. And you do that by changing the a ending and making it a, right? So chota would become chote. And that's basically making it plural. Chota is singular, chote is plural. So the sentence would be, वो मेरे से छोटे हैं. So the है would become हैं with that nasalized N sound. So it would be, वो मेरे से छोटे हैं. But here, the sentence is already informal, so we wouldn't make it informal. Next, we have the question, अच्छा, आपसे कितने साल छोटा है? So while we're using आप to address the person, we're also using the informal tone to refer to the brother. So the formal आप becomes तुम. So the question will be, अच्छा, तुमसे कितने साल छोटा है? And of course, the meaning remains the same, which is, how many years younger is he than you? Then our final line, तकरीबन 1 साल. Approximately 1 year. So there you have it. Let us know what you thought about this episode on our Patreon page. Also, if you have any questions, you can post them there or email us at urdusikhiye@gmail.com. फिर मिलेंगे. खुदा हाफिज़.